Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit like and subscribe. It's infinitely easier than figuring out which bin your recycling goes in here in Germany. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started. Question number 21. Who has a severe visual handicap? The man. True. The white stick is a sign of visual impairment, confirmed by the yellow armband. The child. False. No indication suggests that the child is visually impaired. The woman. False. There is no evidence to suggest that the woman has a severe visual handicap. Question number 22. How do you behave? Continue driving at the same speed. False. The presence of children requires extra caution, not maintaining speed. Watch out for children. True. Children's unpredictable movements necessitate vigilance. Be ready to brake. True. Ready to react to sudden changes, especially around children. Question number 23. What risks must you be aware of? The children will not get off the road in time. True. Children may not notice vehicles in time due to their play, posing a risk. Some children will turn around again. True. Children might return to retrieve items like a ball, necessitating caution. All children will wait on the pavement. False. Assuming all children will stay safe is risky. Always be prepared for unexpected movements. Question number 24. How should you behave? Slow to walking pace. True. Reducing speed is crucial in areas with unpredictable pedestrian movement. Remain ready to brake. True. Always be prepared to stop suddenly in case children enter the roadway. Continue driving at the same speed. False. Maintaining speed in such situations can be dangerous. Question number 25. How must you behave? Remain ready to brake. True. With potential hazards like children nearby, readiness to brake is essential for safety. Drive past at the same speed. False. Maintaining speed in this context could be dangerous due to unseen hazards like a child. Slow to walking pace immediately. True. Immediate reduction of speed is advised in uncertain situations for enhanced safety. Question number 26. What should you do now? I slow down to walking pace. True. Slowing down minimizes risk in unpredictable situations. I remain ready to brake. True. Being prepared to stop quickly is crucial in dynamic environments. I overtake the cyclist. False. Overtaking in such a situation could be unsafe due to potential sudden movements from nearby children. Question number 27. Why must you drive slowly here and be ready to brake? Because the traffic situation is confusing. True. A confusing traffic situation demands cautious driving and readiness to brake. Because there is a child on the carriageway. True. Presence of a child on the road necessitates slow driving and alertness. Because the white van is moving off. False. The van's movement isn't the primary reason for cautious driving. It's the potential pedestrian hazard. Question number 28. What is the correct course of action in this situation? I drive to the left past the person, leaving sufficient clearance space. False. Passing without stopping isn't advisable due to the pedestrian's visual impairment. I flash my headlights to signal to the person that I am giving way. False. Flashing headlights isn't effective communication for someone visually impaired. I stop and allow the person to cross the road. True. Stopping is the safest action to assist the visually impaired pedestrian. Question number 29. Why must you anticipate that children might behave unpredictably in road traffic situations? Because children are easily distracted. True. Children's attention can quickly shift, increasing the unpredictability of their actions. Because children often can't fully grasp the road traffic situation. True. Their limited understanding of traffic dynamics necessitates extra caution from drivers. Because children can't always correctly detect the direction of a sound. True. Children's ability to locate sounds is less developed, adding to the unpredictability in their behavior. Question number 30. What must you heed in this situation? Hazard warning lights on. Do not pass under any circumstances. False. Passing is allowed but must be done cautiously. Pass at walking speed only. True. It's important to pass slowly to ensure the safety of passengers. Pass only if you are sure that passengers are not endangered. True. Ensuring passenger safety is paramount before deciding to overtake. Question number 31. Which statements are correct in this situation? Hazard warning lights on. Vehicles in both lanes must stop if passengers would otherwise be endangered. True. Stopping is mandated when passengers are at risk, ensuring safety in hazardous situations. The vehicles in the left lane may pass the bus without paying any special attention. False. Special attention is required when passing a bus with hazard lights, even in the left lane. The bus may be passed in either lane, but no faster than at walking speed. True. Passing is allowed at a cautious pace, prioritizing pedestrian safety. Question number 32. You are approaching children playing on the pavement. How must you behave? Sound your horn and continue driving. False. Honking and continuing can be hazardous. Slowing down is safer. Slow down and be ready to brake. True. Reducing speed and readiness to brake are crucial near playing children. Question number 33. The tram has just become stationary at the stop. What is the right course of action? Sound the horn as a warning. False. Horn warning is not necessary in this scenario. Focus on cautious driving. Ensure pedestrians are not endangered. True. Pedestrian safety is paramount. Drive carefully around stationary trams. Do not impede tram passengers. True. Respect the right-of-way of tram passengers, ensuring safe passage. Question number 34. What should you do? Continue driving as before. False. Continuing without adjusting speed is unsafe given the potential hazards. Slow to walking pace. True. Slowing down significantly reduces risk in unpredictable situations. Remain ready to brake. True. Staying prepared to brake allows for quick response to sudden movements. Continue driving as before so as not to impede the traffic behind you. False. Traffic flow should not override the safety of children. Question number 35. What should you do? Continue driving because there is sufficient time before the pedestrians have reached my side of the road. False. Anticipate pedestrian movement and yield, as they have priority at the zebra crossing. Continue driving, because there are pedestrians on the left side of the road only. False. Pedestrian position doesn't negate the need to stop. They have the right of way. Wait to allow pedestrians to cross the road. True. Stopping is mandatory for pedestrian safety at zebra crossings. Question number 36. What actions should you anticipate at such stops? Pedestrians will wait until the road is clear. False. Not all pedestrians will wait. Unexpected road crossing can occur. Pedestrians will step off the tram stop island unheedingly. True. Be prepared for unpredictable pedestrian movements from the tram stop. Pedestrians will run across the road to the tram stop island. True. Anticipate sudden pedestrian crossing towards the tram stop. Question number 37. You want to turn right. What must you be prepared for? The truck will stop. True. Anticipate the truck stopping due to the pedestrian, ensuring safety for all. The pedestrian could let the truck pass by and then cross the road in front of me. True. Be ready for the pedestrian to cross after the truck, requiring alertness. After the truck has taken the turn, pedestrians could approach from the opposite side of the road. True. Expect pedestrians from the opposite side after the truck's turn, necessitating careful driving. Question number 38. What must you be prepared for? For visual obstacles. True. Prepare for limited visibility due to parked vehicles, enhancing caution. For vehicle doors opening. True. Anticipate sudden opening of vehicle doors, requiring readiness to react. For persons crossing. True. Be vigilant for pedestrians who might cross the road unexpectedly. Question number 39. What should you anticipate? That it could be necessary to brake heavily. True. Be prepared for sudden stops due to potential pedestrian movement. That adults could walk onto the road. True. Anticipate adults unexpectedly entering the roadway. That children could appear between the vehicles. True. Be vigilant for children who might emerge suddenly from between parked cars. Question number 40. Why are older pedestrians at more risk than younger ones from road traffic? They frequently misjudge the speed of vehicles. True. Older pedestrians may have difficulty accurately judging vehicle speeds. They frequently have poor sight and hearing. True. Sensory impairments like reduced vision and hearing increase risk for older pedestrians. They frequently react more slowly and are less mobile. True. Slower reaction times and reduced mobility heighten vulnerability in traffic situations.